Audit Board versus Vanta 2025. Which is best for internal audits? Internal audits are essential for compliance and risk management, but in 2025, choosing the right platform can be tricky. Let's compare Audit Board and Vanta. Audit Board is designed for enterprise-grade internal auditing. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's only for compliance tracking, but Audit Board automates workflows, risk assessments, and reporting, making audits faster and more accurate. You won't believe what happens next. It integrates with ERPs, systems, and financial tools, giving real-time visibility into compliance gaps. Vanta focuses on security and compliance automation. Its strength is helping companies achieve SOC 2, ISO, and other certifications quickly. It tracks system configurations, employee training, and security policies automatically, reducing manual auditing tasks. Pricing and use cases differ. Audit Board is more robust and suitable for large teams managing complex audits. Vanta is simpler and ideal for smaller businesses prioritizing security and compliance certifications. So, which is best? For enterprise internal audit management, Audit Board wins. For startups and smaller companies focused on security compliance, Vanta is the smarter choice. The surprising truth is that internal audit tools aren't just about checking boxes. They streamline workflows, reduce risk, and ensure a business stays compliant with less effort.